Hey, beautiful doll, I want to dance with you. I am ready to dance with you. Hello? Yes, the Mario Bros. Showroom and workshop. Hey, I am a service van. Please send a tow car to tow me. Okay, I send the tow car for service you. Oh, I'm going to tow the service van. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Hey, serviceman, what has happened? Hey, my axle is broken. My axle is broken. Look at that. My tires. I come from the Mario Bros shop to help you. Now I tow you and go to the Mario Bros shop. Yeah. Now I come the Mario Bros shop. Hey, service van, I fit your car. Thank you, Mario Bros. And thank you, Tokar. Hey, welcome. Now we fit the tire to the service van. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, boom, 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 boom. Now the second tire we fit on the other side of the service van. Yeah. 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 Boom, boom, boom. Hey, serviceman. You know you drive and enjoy. Thank you, Mario Bros. And thank you, Tokar. Thank you. Welcome, welcome. Ah, hey, you need some food. Hey, I gave food the car. And I am dancing with the beautiful dog. Hip hip hooray! Vroom, vroom, vroom. Ho ho!